people have watched my videos on literally everything. A smart refrigerator, a calculator, an arcade machine, and now we have someone who printed out a...
That's you on there. That's you.